Hello, my friend. Welcome to this English listening practice. Today we will listen to a simple story. Just relax and listen carefully. Ravi is a young boy who wants to learn English. Every day he tries to practice a little. In the morning, Ravi wakes up at 7 o'clock. He drinks a glass of water and starts his day. After that, he reads a small English paragraph. Sometimes he understands everything. Sometimes he understands only a few words. But Ravi never stops learning. One day his friend asked him, "Why do you practice English every day?" Ravi smiled and said, "Because I want to speak English confidently." His friend said, "Is English difficult?" Ravi replied, "At first it was difficult, but now it is becoming easier." Every night before sleeping, Ravi listens to English stories. Slowly his listening becomes better. Now Ravi can understand many English sentences. He is not afraid to speak anymore. He knows that learning a language takes time. But he also knows that daily practice is the key. So remember this simple rule. Listen a little. Read a little. Speak a little. And practice every day. If you keep practicing like Ravi, your English will also improve. Thank you for listening. See you in the next English practice.